Statue of Unity is the world's tallest with a height of 182 meter, that is 597 feet, which is located near Kevadia in the state of Gujarat, India. It depicts Indian statesman and independence activist Ballav Bhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. Ballav Bhai Patel was responsible for uniting all 562 princely states of the country to build the Republic of India. October 2018 marked the inauguration of the world's tallest statue. The Statue of Unity is dedicated to Sardar Ballav Bhai Patel, the architect of independent India. The statue was designed by Indian sculptor Ram Sutar and was inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018, the 143rd anniversary of Patel's birth. The colossal monument tower over the river Narmada, a tribute to India from the people of Gujarat to the leader who placed people's welfare first. The Statue of Unity overlooks the vast surrounds and the river basin of the Narmada and the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Apart from the Statue of Unity, there are many attractions in this place. such as laser light and sound show, tour of Valley of Flowers, Nauka Bihar, Cactus Garden, Ekta Nursery, etc. To enjoy and watch all these places, tourists have to stay 1 or 2 days in a nearby hotel.